Alright, good afternoon. Today is November 12th, Sunday, and I just wanted to do a quick update for you guys. Sorry I don't have a light, but here's what I have done on the car now. New ball joint. This is still the original factory control arm. There's actually a mark from the factory, I guess, when they check the ball joints or front suspension. So this is original A-arm, new ball joint, original steering knuckle that's been repainted, original tension rod, strut rod, tension rod is the other name, original sway bar. It's got brand new sway bar bushings, sway bar end links. The bushing in here is also brand new. The tension rod has so these are just regular rubber bushings. Same with the sway bar there. The tension rod has polyurethane. I wanted to get polyurethane because it helps keep the caster on the car. Let's see. So that's done. This side's done. Ready for the original strut. Let's go back to the other side here. Excuse the mess, but sorry about the bar, the camera. Same deal here. Again, new ball joint, original steering knuckle that's been refinished. I repainted it black. Got a couple of scratches here from installing the ball joint. So that's the tension rod. Again, has polyurethane. You see the red bushings there. Let's see, sway bar, original. It's just a regular black rubber bushing there. Same thing with the end links. I actually had to trim the end links so that it'd fit, and I'd have some threads to buy it on, because they had a riser on the bushing there. Let me show you. That I had to chop off just to make everything fit. So here's a couple of them. So these were at the part of the bushing. I had to trim those off to make them fit on the sway bar bushings. Anyways, I just cleaned the struts, so the original struts, so I can put them back in, at least have the car be a rolling car, not on the jack stands. There's the radiator shroud. It's been sandblasted. I'm gonna primer it, sand where the rust is, primer it, and then spray it black, the original gloss black. But yeah, trying to get it moving along. As you can see, this is where the original tow hooks go to. Anyways, yeah, that's where I'm at, and till next update. Cheers.